Welcome children to the social science class, and I am here to teach you social science now. And definitely we have done many chapters earlier, but now we are starting with a new chapter, that is clothes we wear. So I welcome you all to the social science class. Okay, so we'll be starting with the chapter clothes we wear. Children, you must be knowing about the early man. Okay, what early men used to wear? Early men used to wear the clothes which are made of leaves. Yes, because at that time there was no industry, no machines. Okay, do we have the machines? No, we do not have the machines. We do not have the industries where all this can be manufactured or made. So, what did early man used to do? Early man used to make their clothes with the help of leaves. Okay, like this they can make the dress. Somewhere suppose some skirt kind of this is there. So with this they have used here a different kind of leaves. Okay. My drawing is not very good, but even I am trying to draw. So this way they use the leaves to make the clothes for them. Now, but the question arises, why did early man want to wear the clothes or want to make the clothes which are made up of leaves? Because early man wants to, what they want to do? They want to protect themselves. Okay, they want to protect themselves. Yes? Yeah. And they want to protect themselves from what? They want to protect themselves from the what? From the insects, from the weather conditions which are there. So when the word weather is here, so for a while I'll discuss with you what is weather is. We have weather. So we have to protect ourselves from the weather. What is weather? Weather are the different conditions which takes place daily. Okay, like we have sunny, rainy. Okay, these are the different things: sunny, rainy, windstorm. Okay, suddenly the windstorm take place. Okay, so all these things together makes a weather. Like right now it is a weather, but after 2 hours it started raining. So that is a weather. And when this weather continue for few months, for how many? For here we can say daily, days. Okay, or I can say that for a particular day, a few days, daily, or I can say that for even an hour also. It changes with an hour. Clear? So changes with an hour, changes with a day, changes with the daily we can find the changes, or even with few days. Okay. So when this kind of weather takes place daily, or few days, continuous few days, and then it goes for few months, it makes a season. It makes a season. You have, how many seasons we have? 5 seasons. We have summer, we have winter, we have autumn, we have rainy. I am not able to write there. So from here you will understand. So what all I am writing here for a while, for the seasons. Okay. So we have different seasons, like I am writing here summer, winter, just opposite to each other. We have rainy, we have autumn, and then we have also what? Spring season. So we have these 5 seasons in India. Okay. And how it is understood that this is season? Because seasons are there always for a few months. And children, when this season is for the long time and it is studied for a long time, okay, maybe for 30 to 40 years that any country is having the same kind of seasons. So then we will say that the climate of any country is this. Okay. So we always have the 3 words. One is weather, one is season. From weather it is changes to season, and from season it is changes to finally to the climate with a steady. Okay. So why I am talking in detail? So because whenever you wear the clothes are decided as per the seasons, as per the weather, as per the climatic conditions of any country. Okay, so here we have learned about the why the early men want to protect, or why we want to protect ourselves. We want to protect ourselves from the weather, from the weather, from the daily conditions which are taking place, even from the, so I can write in 2 ways for daily, that is one is for the weather, we protect ourselves from the weather. Secondly, we protect from the insects, they can bite to us and harm us. So that is why we call it that we need the clothes to protect ourselves. Now the second point which comes is your civilized society. Okay, when we talk about the civilized society, it means a group of people which are living. The word society is made from the group of people. Okay, when group of people together follow each other and work under the certain rules or laws they have to follow, that is called as the civilized society, because they are understanding each other and following the rules and regulation of that society. That is the meaning of the civilized society. So being a civilized society, being a civilized citizen, it is compulsory we should be dressed up properly and presentable. Clear? So this is the reason why, or why do we wear the clothes? Okay. So when we are saying that we have to protect the clothes, we have to be in a civilized society. So what are the other reasons? So what are the other reasons? So let us see what are the other reasons. The other reasons are your climate. Okay. Climatic conditions. Just now discussed, every country has a different climatic conditions, and accordingly the people wear the clothes. Okay. Secondly is your traditions. Okay, your traditions, like you wear the different dresses according to the occasions. Okay, and we the Indian people prefer the traditional dresses to wear during the any festival. Yes, you must have planned for your Diwali, Dashera, or Durga Puja, that what you are going to wear the dress, or you have planned in such a way. And we prefer the traditional dresses during that time. So according to the tradition of any what? Country or any place or any city or any state, people try to wear that kind of dresses. Number third, we say about the availability. Okay, availability of material. When we say availability of material, it means whether that material is available right now. Children, you people have seen the kings and queens are wearing in a different way. But do you think we can put up that kind of dresses and move here and there? No. Okay, so because that kind of material is now not easily available to us. So if the availability of material is there, then this is the reason Why? Or we can say that, let me write this and write down here reasons. Why do we have a different kind of dresses? Or why do the people wear different kind of dresses? These are the three reasons. One is your climatic conditions. Second is your traditions. As per the traditions, you have to wear the dresses. And number third is the availability of raw material. Now we will talk about the other things. That is your traditional and regional dresses. Okay, I have just used the word traditional. Now we will talk about the traditional and regional dresses. Okay, we are going to talk about the traditional and regional. So for that we have to, traditional word is clear to you. Okay, and for the regional means area. Okay, like India, when we talk about India, India is divided into 4 directions. We have the 4 directions usually, and India is also divided in 4 regions. One is north, south, east and west. We have the northern region. We have the southern, just opposite. Okay, northern, southern. Then we have the eastern. And then we have the western region. Clear? So this is how the different regions are there. And according to these regions, the dresses of India are decided, or the people of the different regions of India wear the dresses accordingly. Clear? So now first of all, I will take the northern region. Clear? I will discuss to you about the northern region. Number 1 is your northern region. When I am talking about the northern region, the states which come under the, like Punjab, okay, some states like Punjab, Uttarakhand, like all these states comes here, and one of the union territory also, that is your Jammu and Kashmir. Clear? So we are taking these one state and one union territory. So first state is your Jammu and Kashmir, where the people wear what? People wear the dresses which have what? They wear the dresses like kameez, kurta, and what else? They wear the kurta, dhoti and turban. Okay. But before that, and Jammu Kashmir, people wear what? Let us see, they wear the firan. Children, now tell me, both the dresses are different. Why? Because when we talk about India, India is a country of variety. Okay, India is a country of variety. What does variety means? The state of being different. That means we have different, okay, we have different what? We have different culture, everywhere we have different food, and of course the different styles of clothes are worn by the people of India. Okay, so now we will first talk about the Punjab. Here in Punjab, people used to wear what? People used to wear, here the Sikh men used to wear kurta, that is kameez, and dhoti and turban. And you know, this dress was prescribed by their 10th Guru. Who was the 10th Guru? 10th Guru was Guru Gobind Singh. Okay, so this was the dress which was being decided or prescribed by Guru Gobind Singh for this community. Okay, now then we have the Kashmiris. Okay, we have the Kashmiris. In Kashmir is a, Jammu and Kashmir is now a union territory, everyone knows that. So people here wear firan. Why do the people wear here firan? or what kind of clothes are worn here, or what type of region is this? First of all, let us talk about the region. Jammu Kashmir is the coldest place. Yes. Why it is the coldest place? Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, these are the coldest place. Why these are the coldest place? Because Kashmir lies in the cold region. Yes, in the northern. Can you see there above? If you see the map of India, we see that it is here. Okay. Just a minute. If you see the map of India, we will see northern region here, it is Jammu Kashmir, and here you will see the northern mountains are there. Okay, that your Himalayas and all are here. So all these northern mountains are there. Clear? So as a result, this region is the cold region. Now, this is the reason, that is why they wear the thick and woolen clothes. What kind of clothes? They wear the thick and woolen clothes. Okay. They wear the woolen clothes. They wear the thick and the woolen clothes here in Jammu and Kashmir. So, this is how the northern region, we are talking about the northern region.